Hey guys, finally we reached the bottom of this design. Now let's start working on the footer section. Take a look at the warframe. And we have three columns here: location, email, and phone. And on the bottom, we have copyright text and some social icons. Let's switch back to our design, and again, measure 120. Just place it right there. And create a folder and name it footer. Using rectangle tool, create a base shape, and the color for this one will be midnight blue. Paste the color, and let's start placing some elements. Name this base, switch on to the content. First one is location and the size will be 12. Again, to divide this, use 5 columns, make it 12, all caps. The color for this one is concrete. Paste it. Now, followed by the address will be 14 pt in size. So the address is not all caps. The color for this is white. Now let's add the icon. So for the location, we're going to choose this one. Duplicate it. Now Control T to find it and place it on the footer. Now we're going to bump up the size, make it 200%, and align this one. Just the same on what we did on the previous one. So here is the guideline. I'm going to place the location, distance of 1, 2, and 3, just like that. And for this one, make sure this is 14. One, two, three. Now, duplicate this one and name this location. And drag it right there. Let's drag it again. Do the same right there. Now for the other heading, that will be email the phone, now we're going to change the icon. So email, now find the mail icon, duplicate it, bump the size to 200%, just locate it by pressing Ctrl T and drag it over to the bottom. And place it at the center. Like that. Delete this one. And change this as well to phone. Here's an iPhone. Duplicate it again. Ctrl T and make it 200. Locate it and drag it over. Let's do this again. 200. Press enter. And align it like that. So final thing is to measure 120 again. Resize the base shape. Now, let's add a copyright text. For this time, we're going to make it 60 pixel distance. Copyright text. Change the font size to 13. Place it right there. And finally, let's add the social icons. And the social icons we're going to use is just this one right here. So Instagram, Facebook, until Dribble, group it, duplicate group, and place it over at the very bottom. Rename this social icons. And for the color will be concrete. Change the font, the color. And align it properly just right there. Let's see how it looks like. And for final touch, create another measurement and crop this out using the crop tool till you reach that last guideline. Hit an enter, turn off the baseline grid, and there you have it. We have successfully created a design based on our Warframe. We started at the top, from logo, navigation, to the banner, styling the button, and styling this banner right here with a less opacity fill layer, the services section, the latest work, the creative process, testimonials, call to action, and the footer. So I hope you enjoy this design tutorial, and I see you guys on the next video.